Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make two tables the same size in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to make two tables the same size. Firstly, insert a table. Go to the insert menu. Then click the table option and insert a table. Now we can see we insert this table. Now we want to make this table to table same size. Click the table and go back the home menu. Then copy the table and paste this table. Then move the table in down and we can see here show a ratio. Now we follow this ratio to set this table. Then move this table. Now we can see we make this two table same size very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.